Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a VLC media library step by step. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the search box on your computer and type VLC. Then, open it from the search results to launch the player. Step 2. Once VLC is open, look at the left sidebar and select Media Library. This will take you to the main playlist view, where you can start organizing your music. Step 3. Now, if you've got all your music stored in one main folder on your computer or an external hard drive, you can add it all at once. To do this, right-click anywhere in the main area of the screen and select Add Folder. This makes it super easy to import everything you need. Step 4. Next, navigate to where your music folder is located. Once you find it, highlight the folder by clicking on it with the left mouse button and then click Select Folder. This will add all the music contained in that folder to your library. Finally, double-click on the folder in VLC to reveal all the music inside. Now you can easily access and enjoy your tunes. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.